Computer-aided design, or CAD, has revolutionized how we design and build things. From coffee mugs to spaceships, CAD software allows engineers and designers to create detailed three-dimensional models of products before they're ever built. This technology isn't just for fancy gadgets, it's a game changer for manufacturing. Imagine building a car. You wouldn't start welding parts without a blueprint, right? CAD is like a super-powered blueprint. It lets you see how all the parts fit together, test different designs, and spot potential problems early on. This saves a ton of time and money in the long run. No more costly rework because a part doesn't fit. CAD software helps streamline the entire manufacturing process. It allows for precise designs, automated processes, and better communication between designers and manufacturers. This leads to higher quality products, reduced waste, and faster production times. Think of it like this. CAD is the digital foundation upon which efficient and cost-effective manufacturing is built. Using CAD software is one thing, using it is another. Here are some key best practices that can make a big difference. First, before you even open your CAD software, know what you're building. Define your product's purpose, features, and target market. This will give you a clear roadmap for the design process. Second, don't reinvent the wheel. Most CAD software comes with pre-built templates and libraries of standard parts. Use these whenever possible to save time and ensure consistency in your designs. Next, avoid overly complex designs. Simpler designs are easier to manufacture and assemble, leading to fewer errors and lower costs. And lastly, good documentation is crucial. Clearly label all parts, dimensions, and materials. This will ensure that everyone involved in the manufacturing process is on the same page. Following these best practices isn't just about making designers' lives easier, it directly translates to a more efficient and profitable manufacturing process. First, by streamlining the design process and reducing errors, CAD best practices help manufacturers produce goods faster. This means more products can be made in less time, boosting overall efficiency. Second, fewer errors mean less wasted material and time spent on rework. Plus, using standard parts from libraries can significantly reduce manufacturing costs. Next, precise designs and better communication between teams lead to higher quality products that meet customer expectations. And finally, CAD models can be easily shared and reviewed by multiple stakeholders, fostering better communication and collaboration between design and manufacturing teams. Section 4. Real-world applications of CAD design best practices. Let's get down to brass tacks. Here are some real-world examples of how CAD design best practices have made a difference. 1. Automotive industry. Car manufacturers use CAD to design everything from engines and transmissions to the car's exterior body. By using simulation tools within CAD software, they can optimize designs for fuel efficiency and safety before a single prototype is built. 2. Aerospace industry. Designing and building aircraft requires incredible precision. CAD software allows engineers to create highly detailed models of aircraft components and simulate their performance under extreme conditions. 3. Medical device manufacturing. CAD is used to design and manufacture life-saving medical devices, from artificial joints to pacemakers. The precision and accuracy of CAD design are critical in this field, ensuring that devices function safely and reliably. Section 5. Implementing CAD design best practices. Tips for manufacturers. Ready to get started with CAD design best practices? Here are some tips for manufacturers. 1. Invest in training. Make sure your design team is properly trained on the CAD software and best practices. The initial investment in training will pay off in the long run. 2. Establish clear design standards. Create company-wide standards for CAD design, including file naming conventions, layer structures, and documentation requirements. 3. Implement a data management system. Efficiently manage your CAD files with a robust data management system. This will ensure that everyone has access to the latest versions of designs. 4. Foster collaboration between teams. Encourage open communication and collaboration between your design and manufacturing teams. Regular meetings and design reviews can help identify and resolve potential issues early on. Section 6, Conclusion. CAD Design, a cornerstone of efficient manufacturing. In the world of modern manufacturing, CAD design has become indispensable. By embracing CAD design best practices, manufacturers can unlock significant benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality. Remember, it's not just about using the software, it's about using it effectively. By investing in training, establishing clear standards, and fostering collaboration, manufacturers can leverage the full potential of CAD design and gain a competitive edge in today's demanding market. So embrace the power of CAD design and watch your manufacturing processes become leaner, faster, and more profitable.